Hello guys, I welcome you all to this video. Now I am going to show about the Voda class. Okay, so I will tell one course of that. Okay, for that you have to install the Voda class app. Okay, see, first you have to go to the Play Store to install the app and type Voda class. See, at first option it is coming Voda class live learning app for class 1 to 10. Okay, and it's already installed. If you didn't install it. So I already installed it. So I am opening the tab. As you open the tab, it will be like this. Okay. See, I have chose the class. If you open the app, it will ask the phone number and OTP. If you log in that means you will get like this. Okay. And now, if you go to my courses mean, it will show you the enrolled courses. Okay. See, there is one course which is adaptation in credit study. Okay, now I am going to enroll for it. It's just free. Okay, this is an open session, so it is free. So I am enrolling. See, it's enrolled. Now I click the check course schedule. After clicking it, I will get this. Okay, so I enrolled it for one free session. You can choose what class it is. Example, class 7 class. You can choose class 7. Or if you are in class 8, you can choose class 8. You can choose any class, okay? But class 10, no courses are there, and class 7 and class 12 also not there. Okay, only for class up to 9, it's there. Okay, so I am in class 6, so I chose class 8. So it's showing enrolled. Okay, this is a free course. You can attend. These are all free courses. And these are all the finished courses, which means already finished. Now I am going to tell you what are the features of this Voda app. See, I have first these are the free courses and paid courses. Okay, I paid it for one bridge course. Okay, it's already finished. Bridge course. Okay, if you want to enroll, it's cheap only. It's just 29 rupees only. You can enroll it now. I will share the link in the description link. You can also enroll for that course. Okay, I will tell the features of the course. Okay, so you can enroll for the course. So this is the first course. Okay, so I have enrolled for 2 courses, and these courses are finished, and this course also finished, and this is live interactive full syllabus course. Okay, it's still not yet finished. It's a 1-year program. I will tell about it in next video. Okay, so there are so many sessions that way it's finished, but still all the sessions are not yet finished. Okay, so you can also enroll it. And if you go to the main session and to the Voda Mart, you can see your points, that how much points you have reading. If you are new to Voda means it will be showing 0 points. Okay, here it's showing 24,809. Okay, and my ranking is number 38. You can see your ranking also, your points ranking. See, I am here. Okay. class number 38. And you can also buy the gifts, okay? It's free only, free of cost. No money you have to give. See, there is one Christmas smart water bottle. This is an temperature water bottle, okay? And this is out of sale. And a beanie band 5. But I don't have enough points to read it, but no enough points. I need sound bar white. Okay, this is that you can listen the sound quality. Okay, if you connect this sound bar to the TV means you can listen the sound very well. This is 74,990 points and this is Redmi Note 10. You can buy it. See, 4GB, but this is 4GB. Okay, sorry, it came very short. Okay, so if you go in order redeems records means if you have buy the one gift means it will be showing at there, but it's showing that you have not redeemed any gift. I have not buy any gift, okay? And if you go in gain records means it will be coming the all coins which you redeem. Example, pre-session reward, okay? At the starting of the session there will be some rewards. I call it as in that quiz correction quiz correct answer points, key points, quiz correct answer points, and you can homework completed points, session completed points, lucky coins, lucky. There are so many coins that I have redeemed. Okay. If you want to gain more coins means you better enroll for the unit revision course, which is 29 rupees. I told you, no? Okay, so I will be telling that what features are there. Okay, so I will share one link. The unit revision course link, and this is an 2021 the master program, okay, which is a DL program from 2021 to 2022 and 2023 also, 2022 to 2023. It means you can enroll it for 2 classes, 2-year program, DL program. See, total price is 90,000, but if you enroll in unit revision course, which is URC, if you enroll in that means you will get some offer discount. Means, for example, if the price is 19,998, means 20,000 I can keep it. And if I see the offer means it will be like 12,500 rupees like that. Okay, so you can enroll for that also. Okay, so you can enroll for that. Now I will share one link in description. First you install the app of the Vodafone and you can see. Okay, so and there are my coupons. Okay, you can also apply one code for coupons. Basically, you will be asking that what are coupons. Okay, so coupons are some discounts like that you will get. Okay, if you see that the view coupons not available, if I click that means 3,000 discount, 3,000 discount, 3,000 discount, 3,000 discount, like that it's there. But it's fine. Okay, it's the for enrolling for the master program. you'll be getting the discount of 3000 rupees. Okay, so and if you enroll it for the youth tuition course means you will be getting, if you enroll it for the master program means you will be getting invite friends, earn big rewards, which means you can also get some rewards. Okay, I will share one link. If you click this link and enroll for URC, which means unit tuition course, you will get some coins. Okay, so you can enroll for that. Now I am going to say that what is unit tuition course and what are the features in the unit tuition course, which means part. Okay, so now I am opening the unit tuition course icon. Okay, so this link will be like this, and I click this link. It will be coming. It is loading. See, the link will be like this only. The session will be starting within 2 days. Okay, so you have to enroll it quickly, and the discount price is also there, and you can grab the discount. Okay, and the sessions will be for 6 days. And sessions will be for 6 days. There will be 8 chapters of maths and 8 chapters of science. Okay, so they will devise the 8 chapters of maths and the 8 chapters for science. They will teach you. You can enroll it for that, and you will get extra coins at that course. And if you enroll it now, here means you will get some coins. Okay. If you want to collect more coins and redeem gifts, means this is an opportunity to grab the seats, and you will be having the homework, and you will be having the unit revision course group. Okay, and you will be having the mentor teacher, which means the mentor teacher will be clearing the doubts for you. Okay, if you ask any doubt, means the mentor will clear it. At open sessions, there will be no mentors, no homeworks, and no group, and no personal Zoom meetings. There will be phone meetings also. Okay, so you can go for that. At open session, there will be nothing, only live class and live doubt. Some teachers will be giving mic for clearing doubts, but some teachers will be not giving mic for clearing doubt. Okay, so if you enroll for unit revision course, means you can ask any doubt. Okay, related to the maths and science, you can ask any doubts or queries if you have. You can apply for the mic of the live class and ask your doubts. Or if you didn't get the chance to ask your doubts, means you can also ask your mentor. Okay, so if you like this video, means please like, share and subscribe, and I will say how to enroll. If you click enroll now, it will be sitting like this. We show the limited seats now. Full seats remaining only. Okay, so if you enroll it quickly, means it will be easy. You will be getting some coins. Okay, and it's saying input your phone numbers. Okay, if you enroll it now, you will get some coins. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So thank you. Bye.